Zack is a master at this, and I sincerely mean that. He knows the ins and outs of everything. He stays on top of the latest real estate laws. He stays on top of market trends. He's a wealth of knowledge and well worth the training. He will keep you out of trouble and have you on your way to success in no time.
I feel like this time spent here this weekend with Zack's really kind of given me the opportunity to really just kind of jump in and stop sitting on the sidelines now. It's armed me with some of the information that I've been missing, so it'll certainly help me move my business along a little faster.
So this has been a great experience. The amount of information that Zack has covered has been unreal. I've read many books, looked at hundreds of podcasts, tons of YouTube videos, just to learn as much as I can. And Zack covered the biggest nuggets here this weekend that have been absolutely invaluable.
This event definitely equips us to move forward into doing other deals, and even like the starting point, the bare basic starting point.
Everything we've went through in the course is going to help every aspect of my business, from negotiating to marketing to market analysis. He lays out the steps taken to do it the right way, which could take years for someone to learn by trial and error. And it's a program that just teaches you how to do it.
It has been amazing. I'm extremely inspired, and I feel like I've been given the tools. Things have been broken down to me in a way that I can actually digest them and put them to use. It's a lot of information, really, really good information.
It's just really exciting to have this foundation put in place and to be able to just go out and freely execute it.
I think by attending this event, my business will definitely move forward, because I've learned that there are really no obstacles in my way except for myself. I think that sometimes we see challenges and we just don't really see a way to get, to navigate around them. And I think overall, this event especially has just opened my eyes to all these new possibilities of maybe what I thought was a challenge or an obstacle is really not an obstacle at all. It's really just making the commitment to follow through in the process.
It's been phenomenal. The wealth of knowledge that Zack brings to the table is just excellent. It's whether you're a beginner or you've been in this for 20 years, he's just dropping nuggets as fast as he can get them to you. So. It's certainly been a lot of insight. It's answered a lot of questions for me where I've had some learning gaps, so beneficial, certainly for sure.
As I started coming to these events, that's how I met Zack. I've met so many other people that I'm actually working deals with right now. I've started with no money. I had no connections. I teamed up with people that I met through Zack to go ahead and start partnering on these deals, and it's just exploded. And that's why I continue to come to these events, even if I've been to them already. I like to come back because it's a great review. There's so much information, you just can't get it all at one time, but that's the good thing. Zack leaves no stone unturned to where you can get in trouble or something could happen to you. He is there to help, and his coaching is just invaluable.
If I just was to go with everything I've learned here, I definitely think I've got a better handle on how to get private funding. It's not quite as intimidating as it was prior, because he really broke it down in ways that made it a lot more simple, I think.
Other conferences I went to, it's boring, it's tiring. But with Zack, you look at the time, you're like, wait a minute. It's already almost 4 o'clock and I'm not tired. It's just because Zack has a gift of teaching and keeping it simple, plain, but give you all the knowledge you need to be successful.
I love his style of training. He's very down to earth, and I could feel his energy right away, that it was just a place for growth to take place and to happen. There was no judgment in the room. I felt comfortable right away with him.
So Zack's style of training is very engaging, very informative, and definitely is very effective. He doesn't take breaks. He goes nonstop from the very beginning to the very end, and the guy is like a ball of energy that just continues and continues and continues.
Zack's style of training is, in a word, awesome. His energy is just genuine, it's authentic, he cares about people, and I think that anyone that comes to his seminars or just his meetings is sure to soak up some of that energy and really be inspired and get the tools that they need to move forward in their business.
I think that someone should Absolutely start with Zack. It changed my life. You know, before I met Zack, every time I didn't know an answer to a question, every time I didn't know what to do, I would just go look at another house. And ever since I got with Zack, I have focused. I mean, he gives you a game plan. You follow that game plan, and you succeed. You know, everything about it works. So I would say that anyone that really wants to change their life, they should hire Zack.